What's Nay doing? Jaden, what's Nay doing? Where's Nay? Make Kyler laugh, Jaden. Kyler. Are those your shoes? Jaden, make Kyler laugh. Oh, did it shed on you? Oh! What happened?
Nay.
Oh, no. Make Kyler laugh, Jaden. What? Oh, is it stuck? Oh, it's stuck on Nay. Nay, he's always laying around. He's a lazy old mare.
Yeah,
Is that your dress?
Yeah,
Oh, you want to put that on? Nay. I think we're still talking about Nay. I'm not quite sure.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah? Oh. You gonna put it back? I got that part. She's gonna put it back. You gonna put the dresses back? Okay, go ahead and put them back. Jaden, sing ABCs.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Tell me what you... Go ahead. A, B, C, D. Huh? Apples. Get off there. You're going to break him. Don't stand on him. Jaden, don't stand on him. You're going to hurt him.
Apples.
What apples are you talking about? Oh, this one?
Apples.
Well, I don't know what apples means. Hippo?
Yes.
Oh. Well, say hippo. Don't say apples. Here you go, and don't rip it. Elephant. Woo!
Monkeys.
Monkeys. How do monkeys go?
Frogs.
Frogs. How do frogs go? Birds. Say birds, Jaden. Birds. Elephant. Monkeys. Yeah. And what's that? Snake. How does a snake go?
Hippos.
Hippos. Want me to read this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me put the phone down.